Welcome to Graham Math. We are asked to solve for this problem 9 raised to x plus 18 raised to x equals 36 raised to x, an exponential equation. So first thing we have to do is to factor out 9 raised to x. So this becomes 9 raised to x plus this becomes 2 raised to x times 9 raised to x equals 4 raised to x times 9 raised to x. So notice that there is the 9 raised to x is common to all of the terms. So we can factor that out. 9 raised to x times 1 plus 2 raised to x is equal to 4 raised to x times 9 raised to x. So we can cancel out 9 raised to x. And we have 1 plus 2 raised to x equals 4 can be written as 2 squared x. And 1 plus 2 raised to x is equal to 2 can be written as 2 to the x squared. And rearranging, we have 2 raised to x squared minus 2 raised to x minus 1 equals 0. So we let 2 to the x be equal to a. So we have a squared minus a minus 1 equals 0. We can solve this by the quadratic formula. So a is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 1, minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 all over 2 times a, which is 1. So we have equal to negative positive 1 plus and minus. This becomes 1 squared becomes negative 2. This becomes 1 plus positive 5. So we have inside the radical, we have square root of 5. So a is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2. Okay. But that is not our final answer. But we know that earlier we let 2 raised to x be equal to a. We can put a logarithm on both sides. So we have logarithm of 2 raised to x is equal to logarithm of a. So we can put the exponent here. So we have x logarithm of 2 equal to logarithm of a. So x can be written as logarithm of a divided by log 2 divided 2. So, but logarithm of a is equal to logarithm of a. We can replace a by what we got from the quadratic equation, that is 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2 over the logarithm of 2. But we know that there is no negative logarithm when you add this, when you combine 1 and the negative square root of 5, it is negative. So the negative is invalid because it will result in a negative logarithm. So we only get the positive. So it's equal to logarithm of 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2 all over the logarithm 2 base 10, which is approximately equal to 0.6942241 914. And that is our answer.